Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer Jarbo and this is my Module 9 reflection. The first question says, describe the role of assistive technologies in the classroom. What past experiences have you had with assistive technologies? Out of the assistive technologies looked at this week, which did you find most interesting or most applicable for your teaching area? The role of assistive technologies is essentially anything that will assist the student in the classroom to be able to do the work on the same level as their peers and be able to succeed as an individual in the classroom setting. I am fairly familiar with assistive technologies because I work in a special education classroom and we have a vast amount of varieties of assistive technologies. We do lots of visuals, lots of scheduled visual planning. We have tiered systems that the students do, task box, that kind of thing. We also have sensory objects in our room for assistive technologies, just lots of different varieties of things. And I would say out of the assistive technologies that I looked at, the ones that are most interesting or most applicable for what I plan on doing are the visual, communicative, and like light sensory objects, because I plan on working in an interrelated classroom, and so all of those objects will help me better help the students that are going to be working in the classroom setting that I am teaching in. The second question is, as provided in the article, describe 3 of the 6 applications of assistive technologies and give an example of each that is not referenced in the article. The first one I chose was communication, augmentative and alternative communication devices. There are a vast variety of these things that will allow the student to be able to communicate with other individuals in the classroom and out in the community as well. These are very beneficial for the students to be able to select what they would like, and it is spoken for them. The second one was physical education, and that could be anything like larger equipment for the student in PE, or brightly colored equipment so it's better seen from the individual that has the disability or difficulty. And the third is environmental interaction, and with this I chose light covers that dim harsh lighting, and essentially what these are magnetic covers that go up over the top of the fluorescent lights in classrooms, and it dims the light down and produces a different hue for the classroom that makes it easier for students to concentrate and focus in this room. The third question says, find one additional assistive technology that was not listed in the module and provide an overview of what it is, how it works, and where you found it. I chose the fluorescent light filters. We have those in the classroom that I currently work in, and I have seen how beneficial they are on a regular basis. Essentially, like I said, they're magnetic filters that go over the light, so it's a cloth filter that has magnets that are placed around the perimeter of the object that goes up over the fluorescent lights, and it is especially effective for students with autism or that have light sensory issues, and we have a lot of students in our class that come in and have these variety of issues, so it's very beneficial for us to have these in our classroom. Thank you.